Hi vlog, welcome back. This is my first vlog of the new year and I just want to show my matcha tutorial because I realized my matcha tutorial from quarantine has changed a little bit since I started making it more, and I use like different tools now, so I just want to show you the updated version. So I'm going to start with filling water in my teapot and I'm going to go put that on the stove. I feel like an important part of making matcha is proportions. If you just do it by eye, which I used to do, it can sometimes turn out weird. Some people might be able to do it by eye, but I'm just a little bit picky about like how I like it. So I actually got my matcha recipe from a matcha store in New York, and I kind of was doing it similarly, but I didn't use the wooden whisk, and I would really recommend using this because it breaks up all the little matcha. But just to make sure, I actually start with this sifter to make sure that all the matcha is super broken up. It's my pet peeve when matcha is like clumpy and you're drinking it and you're like, this is not like mixed in, because it can also just make it so there's not enough flavor, which is really annoying. I use this matcha bar matcha. I've been using it forever. I've actually tried one other one and it just wasn't the same. This is my favorite one. I also get like their products from Whole Foods and they're so good. I just take my 1 teaspoon of matcha and then I put it in a measuring cup. You can also do a bowl, and I like to do 2 ounces. Okay, now my hot water is ready and I'm just gonna pour it in. And then I grab my wooden whisk and I'm gonna start mixing it. This is like the fun part because you can really be creative and like mix it at a little 40-degree angle. While I mix it, you can read the recipe that I'm using. I obviously haven't like vlogged in quite a while because I have been vlogging. It's just that I haven't really been inspired to like post the vlog. Like Christmas, just posting a vlog where I'm like kind of showing off like what I got, and I also had a camera glitch, and so I just figured I'd just start fresh in the new year. I like to do like the slightest bit of dark maple syrup. I feel like the frother is really helpful at like mixing the maple syrup with the matcha. So right now I've been using this Happy Planet easy to steam foam like a dream, cute barista oat milk. I love oat milk. Some people like almond milk. Since the matcha itself is so strong already, I like to have like a lot of milk because it doesn't drain out the flavor if the matcha is really strong by itself, if that makes any sense. I put the matcha into the milk. I don't know if it makes a difference. I heard Margot Lee on her Instagram IGTV matcha recipe say that you're supposed to do the matcha into the milk, but I've done it both ways and I don't see an extreme difference. Yeah, this is the matcha. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And taste test, 10 out of 10. So good. See you in the next vlog.